Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back here again with another video. Today I was actually down $300 and then I made it back so that I was only down $30 by the end of the day. And I just kind of wanted to go through and show what I was thinking. And I'm actually very proud of myself today because I stopped trading. As you can see, there was a lot of room for other opportunities today. Once I stopped trading right around here, but I told myself, I'm like, okay, I already made a loss and I came back from it. I need to stop trading so I don't overtrade because that's what I really need to get better at is my discipline within trading. So first of all, let's just kind of go through here today and walk through what happened. I took way too many trades, as you can already see. It was kind of a mess. But my first one here today, we took a buy right here. I was wanting this continuation to the upside, and we came up and then we just sold off right after. So I bought it like at the top of this candle. I got a little bit of a good move, and then we just tanked. So that was loss number one. Loss number two, and this one I sized up. I bought one here. I bought four more when it went up. Same thing, it pumped up a little bit and then boom, I got clapped on the way back down. Um, and then these, like literally all of these were losses. So right around in here, I was down about, um, I think like 175 or something like that. Um, After all, no, I think it might have been more. I'm not 100% certain, but at one point I was down. I might have even been down more than 300 at some point, which I definitely know I was with some drawdown that I had. But then on this one here, this is where I made a decent chunk because I felt really good about this trade. The reason I went in so heavy here was because we made these moves down, then we kind of formed some highs right here. We came down, started to get more volume. On this candle, we closed almost like above this, and it seemed like a very good setup to go heavy. And on this one, I got in at like 115 and it actually just rocketed up to 156, but I got stopped out because I had my take profit so tight at 124. I would have been very profitable today if I had my take profit up higher, but that brought me back to be down 175. That was at that point. Then the rest of this kind of just the same type of stuff here. Um, I bought one here. Then I I cannot remember what all happened in here, but to end the day, this is the main one we had. Bought one at 105, and this was kind of the same setup. We had these highs right here on the 1 minute time frame, and I was like, okay, we came back into the fair value gap. As you can see on the 5 minute on this, um, like this was a 3 minute fair value gap, I believe, and like we closed like this. And so I was like, okay, like that's a very long wick to the downside that we bought back up. Same here. And so that's where I started feeling bullish again. And we caught a nice little move there, and that brought me back up to being down only $30 on the day. And of course, when I was done trading for the day, we like saw some very good setups, which I do want to point out. Let's start pointing these out on the 5 minute time frame. So, um, right here we get a break of break of structure. No, not quite. It was probably on the 3 minute. Yeah, this is where we start breaking these down. On here, we had the 3 minute fair value gap. On this retest right here, that's where we could have entered on this candle. We could have done something that looked like this, keeping a stop above this high, or you could have gone for the wick retracement and put your stops up here and targeted this pre-market low right here, like that would have given you some great confirmations to the downside. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know this video is pretty nonchalant and raw, but that's kind of what I want to go for. I know a lot of it was just saying I bought here, sold here, but this was an A+ setup right here that I missed because I wanted to save my mental capacity for the rest of the day trading. After, as you can see, I had already over traded quite a bit to get back out of that $300 loss, but I'm down $30 on the day and I'm happy that I stopped. So that's more important to me now, is just focusing on my discipline in trading, and I executed on that today, so I'm super proud of myself for that. And yeah, if you guys learned something, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.